Alright, this problem tells us to write an equation of the line passing through negative 1, 1 that is parallel to the line with the equation y equals 2x minus 3. Let's give ourselves a quick visual. Let's go ahead and graph y equals 2x minus 3. I'm already predicting I can receive the y-intercept, therefore I made my graph bigger on the bottom. Here is y equals 2x minus 3, so I have a y-intercept of negative 3 and a positive slope of 2 over 1. So up 2, right 1. Rise of 2, up 1. And my graph should look something like this. But in this problem, it wants an equation. Write an equation of a line passing through negative 1, 1. And it's parallel to this point, negative 1, 1. So left 1, up 1. So pretty much my graph's probably going to look, it can't be down here because it has to go through that point. So my graph's probably going to look like this, where my blue pen is. See that? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the slope. Everyone say slope. So if I take this equation, y equals 2x minus 3, I want to figure out its slope. Class, what is the slope? My slope is 2. We'll call this m2 equals 2. The slope of this line, the second line, we'll call it the pink line, color coded, has a slope of 2. Well, in this problem, it says they want it to be parallel. Partner A, tell partner B, what do you know about parallel lines and their slopes? Go. Class 1, 2, 3?
They don't touch.
I know they don't touch, but the slopes are the same. M1 equals M2. Why do I want that? I just do a substitution for M2. And my slope of the other line is 2. That means the slope of this second line I need to get is going to be a slope of 2 as well. Okay. Now the problem says write an equation. So let's write an equation. In my equation, I have a slope of 2. And I have this point, negative 1, 1. Partner B, tell partner A, which form do you think we'll use? Nicole, which form do you think we're going to use? Where's Nicole? Nicole. There you are, Nicole. Hi. Which form? Slope-intercept form? Question, do you have the y-intercept of the new blue line? We don't. So I can't use slope-intercept form. Line knockers are a standard form, so we're going to use what? Point slope. Can you tell me what point slope form is? Here's my first order pair, and there's my slope. So all we have to do is just a substitution. y1 is 1, slope is 2, and your x1 value, pay attention there, is negative 1. To clean up the problem, I have y minus 1 equals 2 times x plus 1. Class, did it ever tell us what form they want it in? No, so I'm lazy. I'll just keep it like that. So in this problem, it tells us to write an equation of a line. The equation of my line is here. It doesn't actually tell me to graph it, and I just kind of gave you a visual. We know that in parallel lines, their slopes should be the same. See their slopes? Slope of 2, slope of 2.